Seagull and he's trying to steal my lunch. I've already given him 3 bits. No, no, you can't. Go. You can't steal it. I've given you 3 times. You're so bad. It's bad Seagull. He's still not giving in. Look at him. He's approaching. He thinks it's stealthy. No! Yeah. Well, that's it. I've given half of my bagel, which was a nice one, cooked and toasted. Spent about £4 on it. And I've shared half of it with this little guy who still wants more. But it was worth it, even if he doesn't appreciate it. Anyway, we've run out. Goodbye.